Project Management 101: How to Stay Organized in Your Personal and Professional Life. Welcome to Project Management 101. For every entrepreneur striving for success, staying organized is one of the most essential skills you can cultivate. Whether you're juggling business goals, personal responsibilities, or both, proper project management techniques can help you go from feeling overwhelmed to feeling in control. In this video, we'll explore actionable strategies that will empower you to plan effectively, prioritize what matters, and execute efficiently. Get ready to transform chaos into clarity and move toward your goals with confidence. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. As entrepreneurs, there's often no clear dividing line between work and personal life. Your roles overlap: managing a business, leading a team, building relationships, and pursuing self-improvement. This complexity can lead to disorganization, missed opportunities, and burnout. Project management is the solution. It's not just for corporations or large teams, it's a skill set everyone can use. At its core, project management means organizing tasks, setting goals, and delivering outcomes on time and with purpose. When applied to your life, it helps you stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. Let's take this step by step. To begin, you need clarity. Start by doing a responsibility audit. Write down everything you're responsible for in your personal and professional life. For example, professionally, you may list things like product launches, marketing campaigns, or team management. Personally, you might list goals such as exercising regularly, spending quality time with family, or managing finances. Once you have this list, ask yourself, what are my recurring tasks? What one-off projects am I handling? Where do I tend to feel the most disorganized? By identifying patterns in where your time and energy go, you can pinpoint problem areas. This will serve as the foundation for better organization. Now that you know what's on your plate, it's time to clarify what you actually want to achieve. Setting clear goals helps you focus your energy and avoid wasting time on tasks that don't matter. One effective method for goal setting is the SMART criteria. Your goals should be specific, clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable, include metrics to track your progress. Achievable, choose goals that are realistic yet challenging. Relevant, align them with your overall vision. Time-bound, set deadlines to create urgency. Let's break this down with an example. Instead of saying, I want to grow my business, make it a SMART goal: increase my revenue by 20% within the next 6 months by launching 2 new marketing campaigns targeted at young professionals. Apply the same approach to your personal goals. For instance, replace I want to get healthier with workout for 45 minutes, 3 times a week, and cook homemade meals 5 days a week. These clear, concise goals will help guide your efforts. With multiple responsibilities and goals, prioritization is essential. You've probably heard the phrase, if everything is important, then nothing is important. This is where the Eisenhower matrix comes in. This tool helps you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants based on urgency and importance. Urgent and important, do these tasks immediately, e.g., meeting a client deadline. Important but not urgent, schedule these for later, e.g., planning long-term strategies. 3. Urgent but not important, delegate these tasks, e.g., answering routine emails. 4. Neither urgent nor important, eliminate or minimize these tasks, e.g., excessive social media scrolling. By regularly analyzing your to-do list with this framework, you can focus your energy on tasks that truly move the needle rather than getting lost in busy work. Technology can be your greatest ally in staying organized. Digital project management tools such as Trello, Asana, and Notion help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration in one place. Trello, with its visual board and card system, Trello allows you to categorize tasks into to-do, in progress, and completed. You can also add deadlines and checklists. Asana, this tool is perfect for managing larger projects. You can break down a project into smaller tasks, assign them to team members, and view your progress on timelines. Notion, this all-in-one workspace lets you create lists, calendars, and task boards customized to your personal and business needs. Most of these tools are available for free or offer affordable premium features. By centralizing your tasks and deadlines, you'll always know what to focus on next. Let's talk about managing your time on a daily basis. Good project management isn't just about planning, it's about execution. Time blocking involves dividing your day into specific chunks of time dedicated to different tasks. For instance, 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., deep work on strategic business planning. 10:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., respond to emails. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., team check-ins. By assigning tasks to specific blocks, you can eliminate distractions and ensure consistent progress. Make sure to also leave room for breaks to recharge your energy. At the end of each day, spend 10 minutes reviewing your progress and setting priorities for the next day. Simple actions like this keep momentum going and reduce decision fatigue. Even with the best plans in place, staying productive isn't always easy. Let's address a few common obstacles. Procrastination is often rooted in fear of failure or perfectionism. To overcome it, break tasks down into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if launch a website feels daunting, start with choose a website template or write a homepage draft. Sometimes, the sheer volume of responsibilities can feel paralyzing. Focus on completing just one small task at a time. Forward progress helps build momentum. Motivation doesn't always come naturally. Create routines and systems that hold you accountable, like setting rewards for reaching milestones or partnering with an accountability buddy. By addressing these roadblocks head-on, you'll develop habits that keep you consistent and productive. As entrepreneurs, it's easy to fall into the trap of always working. But staying organized isn't just about productivity, it's also about preserving your well-being. Burnout often manifests as exhaustion, irritability, or loss of motivation. If you notice these signs, it's a clear indicator that you may need to step back and recalibrate. Make time for activities that recharge you, whether it's exercising, meditating, or spending time with loved ones. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for maintaining focus and energy. Remember, you don't have to do everything yourself. Identify tasks that can be delegated to someone else, whether it's an assistant, a freelancer, or a team member. Delegation creates space for you to focus on high-priority work. Strategies like these prevent burnout and allow you to sustain your productivity over the long term. Congratulations! We've covered the essentials of staying organized through effective project management. Let's recap. Assess your responsibilities to gain clarity. Set achievable SMART goals that align with your long-term vision. Prioritize tasks using tools like the Eisenhower Matrix. Leverage digital tools to simplify workflows. Manage your day-to-day with time blocking and daily planning. Overcome productivity killers by breaking tasks into smaller steps. Protect your well-being with self-care and delegation. By following these steps, you can turn disorganization into focus and frustration into fulfillment. Remember, staying organized isn't just about your to-do lists, it's about creating a balanced, meaningful life that aligns with your goals and values. Now's the time to take action. Apply these strategies to your life starting today and see how they transform the way you work and live. Success begins with structure, and structure begins with you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more entrepreneur-focused tips on self-improvement and personal growth. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.